Hey y'all, welcome back to another taste testing. It's called Cascadian Hops, so you may think it's a brew review, but instead it's a kombucha review. This is from Kombucha Town, brewed in Bellingham, Washington. Kombucha tea. And the name of it is apparently Cascadian Hops. Uh, Brewed with organic Ceylon black tea and Cascade hops, dry hop kombucha, blah blah blah. Certified organic water, kombucha culture, black tea, cane sugar, Cascade hops, citra hops, coriander, and orange peel. Ooh. Raja, don't rub on the internet. They may be allergic. Um, Raja the Wonder Cat is rubbing up against you. Come here. Hey, Raja. Don't knock the camera over. Come here. Hey. Sorry, Internet. She gets excited sometimes. Hey, stop. Don't ignore me. Anyway, where were we? Kombucha with hops and other good stuff. Um, it's got caffeine. Yay. Caffeine is good. I sometimes really like kombucha. And sometimes it's okay. Mediocre. It's an acquired taste, maybe. This one smells hoppier than most. It's probably the coriander. Not bothering with the glass because if you don't know what kombucha looks like, get some and look at it. Oh, it's hoppy. And the orange peel. It's lip puckering. You can definitely taste the coriander. And I like the orange peel. Anyway, where were we? Was it distracted by the cat? Oh, look, a cat. No. I don't know if you can see her. She's right behind me now. Once you get past that initial shock, lip puckering shock to the tongue, it's actually darn good. It's the tea flavor is strong. It's a good tea taste. If you like good tea, good Ceylon black tea, and I do. And then the coriander and the orange peel gives it a really good flavor. And from the hops, you're not really getting bitterness, more of a lip puckering, like a sour. If you had a sour ale, I guess it is, there's bitterness too. But it's very well balanced between all the flavors and all that. Just it's that initial shock to the tongue. The tartness, not bitter, tart. Very tart. So yeah, this is good. Um, Normally, kombucha's got like 2% or 3% alcohol. This is non-alcoholic, so uh, despite the kombucha and the hops, I like it. Can't pass it off as a beer, but on a scale of 1 to 5 on the untapped, I'll give it a solid 3.5. Maybe more. Maybe 3 3/4. It's a winner. It's a thumbs up anyway. So that's what we've got today. Roger the Wonder Cat distracting me, and an interesting Cascadian hop Kombucha Town tea. Thumbs up. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!